You kiss the way you rock. I love the way we're breaths is where the wild.
Hello guys and welcome to my channel. So I just wanted to show you how it was like to actually travel during Corona. I have to say that it was different. It was really different. First of all, right now in the bus we are coming from Waterkloof. So basically I didn't have to go straight to the airport. I had to go to the Qatar embassy, and that's when we got our buses to the airport. So right now we are at the airport, and yeah, it was just really different. I hope you enjoy this vlog and like and subscribe.
And I don't have it on me now, it's in my bag.
Yeah, you'll take it out.
Oh, so that's fine,
Yeah.
okay.
How many do you need? Because I have one here.
I've got two fold out in my bag already for both of us.
Yeah, it's fine. Just get your bag, tell them your health phones.
Okay.
Or wait for the dogs to finish sniffing.
Okay.
Because you can't touch your bags before they sniff.
Oh, okay.
Then take them out. Once they done sniffing,
So
it's
I
your bag.
believe
Just
we
take
were
their
like
phones,
5 buses. So I was flying Qatar Airways, and because like Qatar Airways was the only one that was flying on that day, on the 31st of August. So upon arrival to the airport, I think we had to wait for like 20 minutes because only one bus could actually enter into the airport. How crazy is that? Like, how crazy?
Yeah.
Upon our arrival, they offloaded our bags and called, or rather like organized, the sniffing dogs. I don't know what they call them. Like, I guess it's sniffing dogs. The dogs that sniffs our bags. So basically they were like moving around. I don't know, I guess they were looking for weapons or whatever the case may be, because I imagine that there isn't much of like, well, there is security as far as the airport is concerned, but my assumption is that there isn't a lot of people who are actually working at the airport right now, because funny enough the airport was crazy empty. It was so weird to actually experience the airport from that point of view, because girl, I'm not used to it. Okay guys, so we have arrived at the airport. The journey begins. I'm actually leaving SA to Austria, and it's actually very interesting traveling during COVID because wow, a lot is happening and I have to keep my mask on the whole time, but hey, it is what it is. That's me. We are gone, and yeah, I'm actually like now going in. We are gonna go to immigration. It's queues after another, but hey, we move. Guys, check how empty this airport is. Like, I just don't know what to call this. I have never seen the airport this empty. It's crazy, but you know, it is what it is. Yeah.
I love the way you kiss the way you rock. I love the way we're breaths is where the wild. I love the way you call me little child. And I will never let you go. You love the way I touch your skin with mine. We're in the skies, I can't get
Upon passing for the final checks, these guys from Qatar Airways gave us this shield. So it meant you have to have your mask and you have to have this crazy shield, and it is mandatory that you wear it throughout the journey. So even when you are like in the flight, you were required to wear this mask. How crazy.
I love the way you kiss the way you rock. I love the way we're breathless with the wild. I love the way you call me little child, and I will never let you go. You love the way I touch your skin with mine. We're in the skies, I can't get much more higher. You love the dream we have since we've been wild, and I will never let you go.
So guys, Mudimu Upalabaloi. Basically, while I was just seated minding my own business at economy, this lady comes to me and she's like, Miss Baloi, please follow me. And I was like, what? Yay! I knew what that meant. So that meant that I got upgraded to business class. And that was just like so beautiful for me, because then I was just like just gonna have the best time of my life. I was gonna fly with no worry. I would be able to sleep on the flight. And
this is the lounge room. It has got the t-shirt and pajamas if you wish to change.
Awesome. Thank you. Thank you.
You love the way I touch your skin with mine. We're in the skies, I can't get much more higher. You love the dream we have since we've been wild, and I will never let you go.
Okay guys, so now I changed back to my clothes and I'm just basically ready to touch down. And yeah, so this is me trying to give you a very little detail of what happens when traveling. And I think this is like actually a very smooth travel. Thank God for the upgrade because then I got to sleep, I had complimentary and everything is just like so beautiful and cute and relaxing. It's just beautiful. So yeah.
Have all your personal belongings with you as you leave the aircraft. Also remember that smoking is only permitted in designated areas of the airport. You may now use your mobile and electronic devices if you wish to do so. If Doha is your final destination, please proceed to a pleasant stay in Doha or a safe journey to your final destination. We hope you will include Qatar Airways as part of your future travel plans to any of our growing number of destinations worldwide. Qatar Airways, going places together. Thank you and good morning. Ladies and gentlemen, we would like to remind you to wear your face shield and face mask while disembarking the aircraft and to your onward flight with Qatar Airways until you reach your final destination. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, we would like to take this opportunity to apologize for the delayed arrival of this aircraft and any inconveniences may have caused you. Thank you.
you kiss the way you rock. I love the way we're breathless with the wild. I love the way you call me a little child. I will never let you go. You love the way I touch your skin with mine. We're in the skies, I can't get much more higher. You love the truth we have since we were wild. And I will never let you go.
Jokes my guys, we have landed and it's been a beautiful ride. So yeah, I am genuinely now in Doha, first off, and excited and grateful. This is what gratitude looks like.